During all seasons of the year, it's important to ensure that you maintain proper levels of oxygen in your pond. Sufficient oxygen creates a stable environment for fish and the pond ecosystem. A pond aerator is an easy way to add oxygen to water throughout the year, thereby keeping your fish healthy and your pond looking beautiful. Oxygen levels may drop at night due to cellular respiration, which is when plants take in oxygen and give off carbon dioxide. Other common causes can be warm summer months, algae treatment and removal, and treating fish with medications. Adding an Aquascape Pro Air Pond Aeration Kit is an easy way to help ensure your pond has enough oxygen to sustain its ecosystem. These kits are the ideal solution for aerating most ponds up to 15,000 gallons. Each kit includes a durable, outdoor-rated compressor with heavy-duty metal housing, designed to be installed near the pond and stand up to the elements. The 10-inch rubber membrane diffuser is weighted to stay in place at the bottom of the pond. The self-cleaning membrane expands when needed to prevent clogging and maintenance. Aquascape Pond Aeration Kits are also the perfect choice for pond owners who want to keep their fish safe through cold winter months. Aerators help to keep a small opening in the ice to maintain proper gas exchange. The Pro Air 60 Pond Aeration Kit includes a powerful 45-watt compressor, two 30-foot lengths of freeze-resistant tubing, hose clamps, two self-cleaning diffusers, and a valved manifold to adjust the flow between the two diffusers. The Pro Air 20 Pond Aeration Kit includes a 15-watt compressor, 30 feet of freeze-resistant tubing, hose clamps, and one self-cleaning diffuser. Aquascape Pro Air Pond Aeration components are also available separately, including compressors, tubing, and membrane diffusers. Pro Air Pond Aeration Kits are backed by an industry-leading 3-year limited warranty. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.